we will create a test EBS file in SAP using the program provided by SAP. Then we will upload the EBS file in SAP using the standard SAP transaction code. So the program to upload EBS in SAP is RFEBKA00. Transaction code for same is FF_5. This is what the end user uses. This is what we will be using. However, to program to generate a test file, test EBS file is RFEBK85. This we will be using in SAP now. So let's log into SAP and generate a test file and then upload it using the transaction code FF_5. Transaction code SE38. Here we can enter the program name which has to be run. Program to generate the test file is RFEBK85. Copy it, paste in the program field RFEBK85. Select source code X, run the execute button on top. And here we can generate a test EBS file. So I have already created a variant. Let me select that variant. So you have to check mark the PC download and AOD end of the day file. Select the path where the file has to be downloaded. In the account details, give the company code. We are using a test company 0006. The house bank for which the EBS has to be generated, this is City. And the main bank account for which the EBS will be received, which is main here. But you can select the one which is used by your client. Posting offset account is basically the vendor account or the customer account for which the checks are received. In the test file, we are using a dummy balance sheet account which is called posting offset account. But in real EBS received from bank, these will be the vendor accounts. Statement date, let's take today's date. And then create open items. Well, we will generate one open item, and let's generate an open item for the check payment to the vendor. So I have selected checks out. For that, if you remember, the external transaction type is 475, and the checkout payment that we have configured is 113101 to our posting rules. Amount is $100. Let's change it to $1,000. So we execute the program. Posting offset. This is checkout payment account. And the file has been created. Let us look at the file which is created. So you can see the first 01 is the file header, 02 is the group header, 03 is the account header, and as I was talking about 16 is the transaction details, and the code here is 475 which is checkout, and the amount is 1000 followed by 00. So in the EBS file you don't have points here. So it is 1000 followed by 00, which is after point. Z is a explains the type of fund it is. So it is an unidentified fund. That's what the EBS file is saying. And then we have other details like vendor payment, and the this is the check number, and this is the vendor payment document number. The other rows are 49, which is the trailer account trailer. Then 98 is the group trailer. 99 is the file trailer. The file looks good. Let us go to ff underscore 5 and we can upload this file in SAP. Already created a variant. Let's use that. No variant has been created. Select import data. Select the format BAI format. Select workstation because we are uploading from a desktop. Select the file. Posting parameter, post immediately, assign value date. And in the output control, print bank statement, print posting log, print statistics. Execute. And we see the file is posted successfully. EBS has been uploaded in SAP. It is also cleared the vendor payment document, and the document posted is this one followed by zeros and 1. Let's look at this document. FB03. So we see because it's a vendor payment, so we wanted the main bank account, which is 113100 to be credit, which has happened, and the clearing or intermediate account, which is 113101 to be debited, which the posting document has done. You look at the header data and we can see it was posted successfully. The document type is SA as we have defined in posting rules. So the EBS was successfully uploaded in SAP. It also cleared the vendor payment document. And here is the FF underscore 5. We can also access this transaction through FF underscore 5, where we can see the bank statement. Bank number is 2100089, account number, main account ID, and we see the opening balance for this is 0 because it's a test account. And we posted a document of 1000, which is appearing here, and so the closing balance is 1000 minus. So the key transactions as far as end users are concerned is to upload a bank statement FF underscore 5. This if we have to do it manually, where the EBS is available on the desktop. Otherwise, typically we set up a batch job, and in the batch job we have the program for FF underscore 5. The batch job runs at a scheduled time, scheduled date, and uploads the EBS in the SAP. To display or see the EBS which has been uploaded, use transaction code FF underscore 6. Many times it happens that all the line items in EBS are not automatically cleared. So we go to the transaction code FEBA FEBA, where we manually clear the uncleared line items. So with this we have covered how electronic banking is handled in SAP, what is the business process, what are the configuration steps, what are the master data required, and also we have tested our configuration with a test file created in SAP. Thank you.